Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nashfa and Ibn Pasal. Okay, I will present about the assignment 2 is a proposed stable and efficient port development plan. So we group choose the pinning port. So my group member is Nurul Salini binti Anwar and mine is Nur Sifat Izani binti Pasal. Okay, for the next is for introduction for pinning port. Pinning port is an important port is northern Malaysia that support trade, cargo transportation and economic growth. However, the port faces several challenges including increased cargo demand, convention, limited connectivity, operational inefficiency and environmental concern. Therefore, this report evaluate the port performance and the proposed sustainable improve to enhance efficient, reduce bottleneck and strengthen its competitiveness in the long term. Okay, for the next 2.0 is a port background. Port background about the pinning port is educated in the northern Malaysia and act as an important gateway for domestic and international trade. The port support regional industry by handling container, bulk and conventional cargo, especially for the electronic and manufacturing sector. So pinning port is operate using a landlord port system where the port authority manages infrastructure while the private company handle the terminal operation. Although the port has a strategic advantage and support facility, it still face challenges such as the limited yard space, outdated equipment and weak transport connectivity. Okay, for the next is 3.0. Okay, next for 3.0 is current operational performance. Okay, 3.0 is have a SIG and I will explain one by one. First, current operational performance. This section evaluate pinning port performance based on the key indicators such as cargo handling, berth use, yard operation, equipment efficient and transport connectivity. So next is 3.1 is cargo throughput. Okay, cargo throughput. The cargo volume is increased gradually, but growth is limited by infrastructure constraint and competition for large port. So for the 3.2 is berth utilization. So berth use is a moderate during peak period. Conversion can occur the cause delay for arriving vessel. Okay, next 3.3 is yard operation and storage. For yard operation is yard conversion is a major challenge due to the limited storage space and inefficient container management. Is 3.4 is dwell time. So dwell time is a container dwell time is relatively high during a busy period because of a customs delay and transport coordination issue. So, okay, for the next is 3.5 is equipment productivity. Equipment productivity is a general acceptable, but the breakdown is and maintenance delay can reduce efficiency. For the lastly is 3.6. 3.6 is a hinterland connectivity. So the port main relief on the road transport, limited rail connectivity contribute to road congestion and slow cargo movement. Okay, I will continue 4.0. 4.0 has 3. So okay, for the 4.0 have the 4.0 is issue and challenges. So have a 3. So I will explain 4.0 first, and 4.0 is issue and challenge. So this section it discuss the main challenge faced by Pinimport, include operational, environmental and strategic issue. So for the 4.1 is operational challenge. Pinimport face operational challenge such as a yard conversion, limited space, delay during the peak period, equipment breakdown, and heavy road transport that slow cargo movement. For 4.2 is stability challenge. So the 4.2 is the port also face environmental challenge, including air pollution from diesel power equipment, high fuel consumption, and the risk of water pollution. And for the lastly is 4.3 is strategic challenge. Okay, for the strategic Port is face strong competition from large port, limited space for future expansion, and they need to adopt better technology from the provide faster space. Okay, that's all from me. I will pass to Sarjana. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shazani binti Anwar and my student ID is 562121240007. So, we're moving to slide 5.0, which is Green Port Initiative. Let's talk about how we can make Penang Port a leader in sustainability. The future of shipping is green, and we are proposing a shift towards renewable energy integration. By installing solar panel arrays on warehouse rooftop and utilizing shore power which lets ship plug into the local grid instead of burning diesel while docked, we can drastically cut carbon emission. This is crucial because reducing a port carbon footprint not only meets global maritime compliance standards but also lowers long-term operational energy costs. Along with that, upgrading to automate electric RTG cranes will minimize fuel consumption and streamline container handling. Transitioning to electric equipment reduce local air pollution and noise, creating a safer, healthier environment for both port workers and the surrounding Penang community. It's all about creating a cleaner, more efficient ecosystem. Okay, so now look at slide 6.0. Efficiency isn't just about the physical infrastructure. It's about data. We are proposing a major digital transformation by introducing a 5G power port management system. This platform will use real-time data and IoT sensor to track cargo, optimize vessel scheduling, and manage yard space dynamically. The major advantage here is a predictive analytic, allowing us to forecast gate congestion and optimize crane allocation before delays even happen. And by integrating smart logistics, we can reduce truck turnaround time and eliminate bottleneck. In modern shipping, a faster turnaround time directly translates to massive cost saving for logistic company, making Penang Port a highly attractive and frictionless hub for international trade. And on slide 7.0, we focus on the bigger picture, strategic integration. A port is only as good as the network behind it. So our plan to emphasize improving hinterland connectivity by strengthening road and rail links to major industrial zones across northern Malaysia and southern Thailand. By linking the port directly to these manufacturing hubs, we create a seamless supply chain that significantly lower transit time for electronics, manufacturing, and agriculture exports. So by streamlining custom procedure through digital documentation and expanding seamless multimodal transport links, we can position Penang Port as the primary go-to gateway for regional trade. This cross-border integration is key to capturing a larger share of the booming Asian economic market and securing our position against regional competitors. Okay, so for the conclusion, the future of Penang Port, to wrap things up, our purpose development plan isn't just about expanding capacity, it's about future-proofing Penang Port. By combining green initiative, smart digital logistics and strong regional connectivity, we can transform it into a highly efficient, sustainable maritime hub. This balanced approach ensures that environmental responsibility goes hand in hand with economic profitability. So this investment will not only drive economic growth for Malaysia but also set a new standard for modern port operations. And that's all. Thank you.
Okay, for lastly is 8.0 is references. Okay, this is our references when we search about the import. Okay, that's all for my group, and thank you.